Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. After 3 decades, Trick Daddy finally has decided to trade in his golden chompers for a fresh pair of pearly whites. The Miami rap legend, who has been rocking his gold grills since '94, felt it was time for a change after receiving alarming news about his oral health. According to TMZ, while spoke with Daniel Nagora, the CEO of five-star Smiles Trick hasn't seen a dentist in 15 years. Nagora explained that due to Trick Daddy's lack of oral inspection, the I'm a Tug rapper's permanent caps were so decayed, he had to undergo bone loss surgery and currently has temporary fillings in his mouth while his gums heal. In 2009, Trick revealed that he lives with lupus. According to lupus.org, this autoimmune disease not only causes inflammation and pain in any part of a person's body, but can also cause tooth decay. To complete his transformation, Trick is said to have his bottom teeth removed, and in 2 months his final round will be completed, as he is set to receive porcelain veneers. The 48-year-old reportedly has spent $60,000 on treatment thus far, and according to the outlet, Trick's entire procedure will be documented on Love and Hip Hop Miami. His final results reportedly will be in the first episode of the show's upcoming season later this year. The Neighborhood Talk is just one of many outlets that shared news about Trick's new teeth, while some fans congratulated the rapper in the comment section for the Neighborhood Talk. 15 years is crazy. I'd be feeling weird missing my 6-month cleaning. He definitely wasn't brushing that gold grill. These celebs really do not be going to take care of their health, and it's wild to me. Like 15 years, I can't imagine. And just like that, he looks like a little better. Though it took Trick Daddy some time, it appears as if the reality star is finally prioritizing his oral health. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.